Hello again, it's number 3. Here was number 1, here's number 2. Design number 3 today on the Great Dallas Blowout Design Star day I'm having. This one is a good one. These are all good ones. Here was our, to catch you up, here was our, this one needs a better close-up. We didn't get a good one last time. Here is your, what did I call this one? Cabbage Patch design. All kale with a little hydrangea and some heather. That was easy. Here is your green design in a coffee pot. This one was easy. Next, we're going to have a hydrangea-based design. The reason it's called hydrangea-based design is because the hydrangeas do all the work for you. I'm Michael Gaffney. I'm the owner of Michael's Flower Garden. We ship flowers overnight too with tutorials on how to do just what I'm doing. Or flowerschool101.com. You can come to class with me, or you can take all the classes in home using our ultimate online floral class, and you can get a student ID to buy flowers wholesale from one of our providers, and you get my whole library of books, and you get my Flower Crazy design system from QVC. So any way you want, you can come to me or I'll come to you. Here's our hydrangea-based design. I'm going to first start with a focal point. So I'm going to take 3 roses as a focal point, focal point, focal point. There we go. And look what I did. Well, you should see better what I did. I crisscrossed them. So it's like a tripod, and then hold them together. So you create a triangle. Next, I'm going to take my hydrangeas. I'm going to take off most of these leaves because they suck up a lot of water. And I'm going to place them through my design. 1. Here's my second hydrangea. 2. 3. And it's practically done already. That's why I call it the hydrangea-based design, because hydrangeas do all the work for you. There's number 3, and I could have stopped with 3, but I'm going to add 1 more, I think. And you keep looking at that, and here comes number 4. Look at my pretty kitchen I have today to design it. I like it. Here comes number 4. So, I have made a bouquet out of hydrangeas and roses. Then, I'm going to add a little mortar between the bricks. Pick up a few more roses. See? There's the between the bricks. That's where the 2 hydrangeas split. I'm going to grab it. Now look at how I'm switching hands. I'm going to put some mortar between the bricks. This could be a bridal bouquet. This could be a welcome to the neighborhood bouquet. This could be a lot of things. I'm going to take another little rose and put it right over on that side between the mortar between the bricks. Oop. So I did a triangle of roses. See, I didn't bend it enough. That's why it snapped. I was cheating. Now we have a triangle of roses. Next, I'm going to take, so a lot of times it's so much white hydrangea, I like to break it up. Here's one of my secrets. I take a flower and I jam it through. See it coming out the bottom? And I pull it in like that to break up some of that hydrangea. So I've got a little bit of Queen Anne's lace to do that with. Right there, pull it in and pull it down in. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You got to make these really clean so they don't shred. I'll take some green hydrangeas, mini green hydrangeas, and pop those through as well. See how it's texturing the surface so that doesn't look like a big white igloo. And I'll do this side, getting rid of all these leaves that'll get caught up. So this is a very pretty, it could be a wedding bouquet, it could be a picnic bouquet, it could be a love you bouquet. Making sure my roses are high, that's important. Make sure that's a tall point. They slid down a little bit. You got to pull them up. Pick off anything that's not participating. Look, not bad. Next, I'm going to take some stock. White, pretty stock. It doesn't show up, but again, look how I'm applying it. I'm not stacking them. This is a no-no. You have to lie it through, but see how it sticks out? I'm going to pinch off the head of the stock. I know you just went, ouch. So, you got to pinch off that stock. We're doing a mass round design. And so I add a little stock, pinch it off, and then maybe we have a little bit of white heather. I'll put just a little bit of heather poking out. Again, you don't want to do this. You've got to waste most of the stem by just adding a little bit around the edges to make it a nice Irish bouquet. I'm 100% Irish, they tell me. So I know what I'm doing. I know what I do it. I don't know, these are right the right, they're pretty. We'll put a few berries in there too. Not quite the color. I would have liked the pink berries, or they have some white ones that are very pretty. But notice again, this is the whole secret. Every great flower design you see has 1 or 2 chess moves to checkmate. There is 1 or 2 secrets. Here's the secret to this one. You're not doing this. You'd be snapping every head. You're laying them down through your bouquet so they're visual right over the horizon. I'm going to add 1, 2, 1 more, and we're done. This took me all of a minute and a half to do a $150 bridal bouquet. Oh, I know what I have. I also have some mini callas. Look at these. These are pretty. I'm going to feed a few mini callas right through there. Look at that. Boom. This will put it over the top. Now it's ready for the bride. Put a few little mini callas in, mini calla lilies in there. Somebody told me that calla means lily. Is that true? They say you're saying lily, lily. I don't know. But so I'm going to put a few, drop in my berry, put a few mini callas in there, and it's off to the market. I wish I had 1 more, but I don't. That's okay. We'll make it work. And then around the base, a little bit of lemon leaf right under here, just to protect it. All day, through all the dancing and all the drinking at the wedding. Just a little bit of leaf, just barely poking out of the edges, not sticking out real far. This is even too far. Just half a leaf sticking out. What is it? Discretion is a better part of valor. Is that the saying? Be discreet with your lemon leaf. You could drop this in a vase. You could tie it up. Take it to your neighbors. Here comes your close-up. You know my cameraman's gone today. Like a diamond twirling in a jeweler's shop. It's a hydrangea-based bouquet. A little mixed garden bouquet. It looks like it'd be out of a movie, wouldn't it? Like an old 18th century movie starring Brad Pitt and Meryl Streep. She'd be carrying this while she's walking through the court. Yeah. There I go, off into a tangent. So, this bouquet is number 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy breezy summer designs you can do by following my simple methods of design. There was 2 tricks to that design. That was it. Flower School 101. My students do this every day in class, and they do it perfectly. They do all of these perfectly. Flower design is a skill you can master if you trust me and you follow me. That's how it's going to work. You want to go walk into a house and take flowers and make beautiful arrangements, you're going to follow my formulas that are in your head. Kind of like cooking recipes, a little bit different. But look, let's put these all 3 together. How pretty is that? We did all of these in about 5 minutes, each one. You shouldn't be frustrated. You shouldn't be struggling when you do flower arrangement. It should flow out of your hands. Easy breezy, summer designing. That's what I call these 3. So I'm Michael Gaffney with Michael's Flower. What's the name of my company? michaelsflowergarden.com or flowerschool101.com or flowercrazybymichael.com or the ultimate online floral class. Pick either one or all of them. All I know is I want you to do flowers. When you buy flowers from Michael's Flower Garden and you receive this to design with, you get a bottle of my magic spray that seals flowers, makes it last 2 weeks. I also, though, send a second bouquet on your behalf to someone in a nursing home or assisted living facility to brighten their day. That's my thing. I've been doing it for years. First time I did it, I couldn't believe it. They went crazy. Like I'd given them gold. So every time you order a bouquet, I send another one to someone at a nursing home or assisted living to add some pizzazz, shabam, into their day. So it's called Flower Power. It's been around since the 60s. All right? Get it? So, Michael Gaffney, I'm going to go give this to my neighbor, saying, rock on. No, that's not it. Keep blooming. That's what I say. And I'll see you for project number 4.